Hey guys, got an unboxing for you from Tesco Direct. Hope this is what I wanted because it better be. Because I paid 29 quid for it. Sorry about background noise, got telly on. Very unprofessional to unboxing like that. But I don't care. This is, if I remember correctly, a DAB portable FM radio. Hey, that's it. Bloody hell, that's small. Looks a little bit like the original iPods, but tells you on the back what you can get. I will only be mainly using this for 5 Live and probably Total Sport, but it looks alright. I think it'll be a good purchase, I hope. It was either this or spend 80 odd quid on a Pure thing. And my main DAB radio is Pure. And I'm not going to say it's not cracking quality, because it is. I really should have done this with the stand. Hang on a minute. I don't really understand. Hang on a minute. I think I might be able to put you on the stand. I'm doing this. So I'm normally all really prepared with this, but not today. I'm tired. Out the internet doesn't bugger me up today, well, it already have been a bit crap. Is it going in the right bloody hole? Hang on a minute guys, I might just restart this in a minute. We're getting somewhere. Hey, there we go. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Now staying on, because I can't be able to open it all over again and do it all over again. I'm lazy. Yeah. So look, we got a set of cheap-ass batteries, set of cheap-ass-ish headphones, but it probably won't last long. And now for the actual thing. Look at that. Yeah, that's not bad. 10 hours max. The instructions, I think. The instructions, see? Introduction, the keys, the headphones, AAA batteries, which is good, BBC, FM, what the hell's that? Signal strength, battery volume, fitting the AAA battery, getting started, FM listening, saving your presets, all that kind of crap. So, looks frequently okay. Let's have a look at build quality because oh god, that's more than I first thought it was going to be. Jesus, it's a bit chunky, but hey. Oh, I can't get the back off. Alright, there we go. 1, 2. There we go. Do yeah. Oh shit. Right, on board. Gotta be an on board somewhere. Where you read the manual Drake and go, ah, on board. Where is the on board? Button number 4 is the on board. Oh, this is great. Start it, and look, nothing. Check if I put batteries in right. Yep, yeah. Doi. Put the batteries in the wrong way around. I was going to say Tesco fail, but it was actually a Puncture 41 fail. Here we go. Okay, well done Tesco, supply me batteries out of duff. Where do I return my item? If I have to return this I will be pissed. But there you go, that's it. I'll do a little review of it later. But there you go. Bye. Puncture 41 gun. Bye bye bye.